But actually, chocolate also have bad stuff. Like if you eat a chocolate in, like if you eat chocolate in a very big, in a very big, well, if you eat chocolate like in a very big measure, it makes you fat, and all the sugar will make you feel bad, and will, well, yeah, it will make all the good stuff make it bad stuff, and then it will be worse than it was. So, and actually doctors recommend to eat one piece of chocolate per day, so you are happy, your mind is more accelerated, and you can catch the process better. And so that's why doctors recommend chocolate for too many stuffs, like for people that it's not like too noisy and all that stuff, like it's like in his own word. Doctors recommend to eat chocolate that so they can feel better, and they can feel better actually. So I recommend you to eat like a piece of chocolate every day to have a fair and happy life. Thank you for your attention, and see you later. I hope my speech can help you to make some changes in your life. Thank you.